Where is the light? So yes, in Philippines you never can trust the GPS. I'm following the GPS and I'm not sure where it's going to take me, but a beautiful area in here. Looks like they're growing rice field all around here, and beautiful mountain range around here. I tried to go to a lookout somewhere up to the mountains over there, but let's see if the GPS take me where I want to go. But still, beautiful scenery. Look at that. Well, the GPS really doesn't know where this place is. I'm pretty much lost. Done 20 minutes on a very little rough dirt road. But anyway, I see this road going up the mountains, so I'm going up. Actually, beautiful view anyway. From here, Valencia is probably somewhere down the bottom here. A lot of agricultural land at the bottom here. Spectacular views. Hey Joe, what's up? I asked a couple of local, but Filipino, when they don't know, they still tell you it's that way. It's the best GPS to ask the local, but they didn't know where he was anyway. So, but hopefully this road is going up a little bit. I'm going to keep pushing a little bit further and see if I can get to that special lookout. But it's beautiful, beautiful day. Look at that. Wow, I think I'll find it. That's the place I want to go. Wow, the view, guys, spectacular. Wow. Well, I'm gonna push it. Morning. All right, I made it to the mountains here, and I met an official.
I'm Dato Romel Mansaloon, IP representative of Barangay Banlag.
Banlag, that's a barangay.
Yes.
And you just did a ceremony.
Oh, a ritual.
A ritual for the... What's the name of this mountain? Mount
Anahawon.
Mount Anahawon.
Sumpong, Sitio Sumpong, Barangay Banlag, Valencia City.
Valencia City. Yeah. So, but the park is apparently closed temporarily. But they let me to come and have a look this way. This way? Yes, thank you. Mount Anahawon. Mount Anahawon. Beautiful place, sir. Yes. Oh, it's beautiful. So I'm with an official, so he's going to let me go and have a look. I'm from Australia.
Yes. Australia.
Hi guys, the views from here, they're spectacular. Beautiful view. Where is Valencia? Over there?
Valencia.
It's Valencia right at the bottom here. Beautiful mountains. So they're doing some work in here. That's what is closed at the moment.
Soon Bukidnon is there.
Well, I'm so glad that I met an official so they can let me in, because the park is closed at the moment, but it's beautiful. Wow, look at that view. It's new, this place, no? What, 1 year maybe?
3 years.
3 years now? Wow, this is spectacular, guys. Beautiful spot. Well, it wasn't easy to find, but I'm lucky I pushed a little bit more when I thought I was lost. And when it be finished, it'll be even more beautiful. They're doing a big deck here. A bit noisy maybe. Xavier. Australia.
Australia. Okay, good, nice.
Thank you. Look at the view from here.
Nice.
Wow, that's beautiful. That's a deck they're building in here. Bit noisy. All the official and the local people.
Yes, sir. Barangay official. My companion. And he is my elder. Tribal elder.
Yeah.
He also. Barangay council.
Hello, sir.
Kagawan. Hernandez. So,
It's good.
Very beautiful.
It's beautiful.
please picture us.
Oh, okay.
Amazing, please.
Wow, that was a beautiful experience. Meeting all the local, all the official. Lucky they had a ceremony blessing the place this morning, because the place is not really open at the moment. But wow, what a place. You really have to come here. You've got a great view of all the plants in here with all the rotation. Captain! Wow, that was very nice. Yeah, sometimes you have to push a little bit the adventure, you never know. And I'm glad I did. I don't know if on the GoPro how it's going to look, but it is very spectacular. Best view of Valencia from here, for sure. So anyway, I think I'm going to finish my vlog right here, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next adventure.